Example number 10. A pentagonal pyramid of base side 30 mm and axis 60 mm long is resting on its base on HP, and one of its base edges is perpendicular to VP. A section plane inclined at 60 degree to VP cuts the pyramid at a distance of 6 mm from the axis. Draw the projections of the remaining solid. So here again we are having a pentagonal pyramid of side 30 mm and axis 60 mm long. It is directly resting on its base on HP, and one of the edges is perpendicular to VP. So this is a simple case which we have seen already. The top view is a pentagon and the front view will have some triangles, and it is being cut by a section plane now which is inclined to VP. Earlier it was parallel to VP. So this is very similar to the previous question, but here only you have to tilt the section plane with respect to VP such that it makes an angle of 60 degree, and also the distance is given as 6 mm from the axis. So its position is in such a way that it should be 6 mm away from the axis. So we will see now first how to imagine this. So this is the pentagonal pyramid resting on HP with one of its edges perpendicular, as you can see. This was the case in the previous problem also. You can observe it here easily. So I will bring in the section plane first. So this is the parallel section plane with respect to VP, as you can observe here. You can observe here easily. But its actual position is given. I'll just show you. First, this is a parallel section plane, but here the section plane is inclined with respect to VP. Now you see that I have placed the section plane inclined to VP. I'll show you from the top. Now you can observe easily the inclined section plane. I will cut the solid. So you see that here is your section plane here on your screen. So when I erase this, it will look something like this. So I'll just erase the planes. Now this is simply your inclined cutting plane, and you are seeing the top view of the pentagon. So when I view it from the front, it will look something like this. So this is going to be your final front view. When I remove this, that would be sectional front view, and this is our final top view. So we will draw this in our drawing sheet. Now we will see that.
It is resting on the horizontal plane. We need to first draw its top view with 2H pencil because this is just our assumption. Again, this is 72 degrees. This is also 72 degree. This is the axis line, which is 60 mm. So from here to here it is 60 mm. 60 mm. Now we can easily join all the corners, and as we have assumed that it is resting on the horizontal plane, it's completed. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash. Now for the sectioning part, it is mentioned that the section plane is 6 mm away from the axis. So this is the apex point. This will be 6 mm away from it. And I am taking this in the front view, in the top view, because it is mentioned that it is inclined at 60 degree to the VP. So if it is inclined to the VP, it will cut the top view in this fashion. So and the angle is given as 60 degree. So I am taking this 60. This is your cutting plane. This is your cutting plane. And now you can observe that this portion has been cut and removed. For this reason, this leftover portion has to be darkened. These are all there and visible from the front view. Sorry, the top view. Now, for the front view, you can see that as this portion is removed, we will get the projections of this from the section plane here in this fashion, and we will not get the whole front view. But as this edge is visible to us, and I'll project the lines first. So this is the base, as it will touch here. This is the base in front view, and this portion. These 2 points are very important, because now we know that section should be come in between this portion only. And for the height and each and everything, like this is the fifth corner line, fifth section plane is cutting the fifth line here, so you will get a common point here. And this is the third point. I have forgotten to take the third generator. Right. So as this is the third generator, and it is cutting this third line here, so we'll get one more point.
Now I have joined all these points and I have did hatching point within these points. So this is going to be your final solution. Observe the hatching lines inside those points which we obtained. So this is the final solution of example number 10, a pentagonal pyramid directly standing on the HP with its base, and when it is cut by a section plane which is inclined to VP, you will find something like this. This is the section plane which is now inclined here, and you will get the sectional portion here, and I have not darkened this portion as I have told earlier also, because this portion has been removed. This all portion has been removed.